Hi friends, I hope you're all having an awesome week. Welcome to our first online science lesson. Our focus question for the day is, how do organisms interact with each other in their environments? We're going to be using the online FOSS website that you can get through single sign-on to review this concept, okay? But a couple reminders before I show you what you're going to do today. So remember, a food chain is how energy gets passed from one organism to another. And there are 3 different types of organisms involved in the food chain. The first one is the producer. So remember, the producers create their own energy. Then we have consumers that get their energy by eating other organisms, and the decomposers that break down dead organisms. Okay, so those are things like fungi and bacteria. In order to answer our focus question today, we're going to go online and use the FOSS website. So go ahead and click on to single sign-on. After you get here, you need to go to your Clever portal. This pops up. Go ahead and just click Clever Login. Hopefully yours will load a little faster than mine. Then once you get here, you need to find the FOSS page. So remember, that is the black one with the sun on it, okay, where it says FOSS Web. So go ahead and click that. And it should automatically log you in. If not, just press that login with Clever, but sometimes it takes a second, so just give it a minute. Okay? Then you are going to find your environments book. Go ahead and click on that. Then over on the side, yours are going to look a little different than mine because it's the teacher page, but that's okay. So go over here to multimedia, and you're going to click food webs. All right, your page should look like mine. From here, you get to pick one area that you want to read about, okay? So you can pick any of these, but this is going to be your topic for the rest of the assignment, okay? So I'm going to pick the Monterey Bay National Marine Sanctuary. Go ahead and click on that, and then click on Visit Food Web. Now you're going to have a page that gives you a whole lot of information about this habitat or this environment, okay? So your job is going to be to read it, and you're going to pick 5 important facts. Those 5 important facts, you can either write them down or go directly to your Google form that you're going to fill out today. After you put your first and last name here on this box is where you're going to write your 5 facts that you learned from the overview page, okay? Make sure you tell me which habitat that you are learning about. When you're done with that, you're going to click on Food Web up at the top. And here is a little game that you're going to get to play where you're going to practice making different food webs. So your decomposers are going to go over here, your consumers go here, and your producers go here. If you're not sure what something is, you can click on the animal and then press info. Okay, so click on it, then press info, and it'll tell you some history, its food, and its predators, and that will help you know where to put it. Then, when you press move, you can drag them to the different spots and connect them with arrows. Then to see if you're right, if that's the right order of the food web, you can hit check links. It'll either give you green, red, yellow, or orange, okay? Your goal today is to try and connect at least 10 organisms in a food chain. After that, when you're done, you're going to come back to your Google form, and on this one, you're going to write a food chain that includes at least 5 organisms. Remember, the arrow goes in the direction that the food is moving, the energy is moving. So, for an example, I put kelp, and the kelp gives the energy to the starfish gives the energy to the sea otters, okay? So for this first one, you need to have at least 5 organisms. Then down here is a bonus one to see if you can do more. Create a food chain with 6 organisms, with 10 organisms. See how many you can get, okay? So you can play on there creating different food webs. If you finish one environment and want to move on to the next, you are more than welcome to. You can close back out, return to the map, and learn about some of the different environments that we haven't studied yet. So hopefully this will be fun. Do not forget to press submit right there at the bottom and turn it in on Google Classroom. Have fun, and if you have any questions, be sure to send me an email or join me during my office hours. You can also look at the Google document that I've attached to today's assignment for more step-by-step instructions for what you're supposed to do today. Remember, our focus question is, how do organisms interact with each other in their environment? Have fun. I love you. I miss you. Bye.